Welcome to Miss Lam's Math World. Let's move on to Part C. In Part C, you are suggested to use A and B, the result of these two. It is possible to be otherwise, but of course it will be more troublesome to do so. So most of you are able to do the first step. That means you are able to use the result of B. That's good. But many of you are unable to use the result of A. The result of A means you get this integral. And you have to get the same integral before you do the substitution. So some of you just substitute A by writing this line, 1 over e to the power x minus 1. But it is not the same as part A. So how to get the integral of A? It is not difficult. Because you can check that here, this one, it is e to the power x, right? And then, if it is e to the power negative x, that means we can multiply e to the power negative x on both parts of the fraction, because it means you just multiply by 1. This one equals to 1, and the integral, and the value will not be changed. After that, then we multiply. So the numerator is e to the power negative x, and the denominator is 1 minus e to the power negative x. As a result, this part is exactly the same as part A. You may argue, hey, Miss Lam, I think I can skip this part. However, we have to use the result of A. That means you have to at least show part A in your work, right? So it in your work of part C. Somewhere in part C will do. So after substitution, then it should be just a piece of cake. So one more common mistake is many of you already get confused after you simplify this one. You get 1 over e to the power x, and then some of you has forgotten how to solve. So this one, you cannot use the log, right? As these two are not the same. Remember, we got the rule of integrating e to the power negative x. So this should be the correct way to handle for this. So that's the end of Miss Lam's Math World. I hope you will be able to solve similar questions afterwards. See you next time.